जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, नींद नहीं आती है, बड़ी लंबी रात है।
Has it ever happened to you that you were great at singing, but due to your job, family, household works, now you don't get enough time to sing? Deep inside, you feel it as a personal defeat. But you console your soul that because of your job and stress, continuing your passion was impossible. Norman Cuisine once said that the tragedy of life is not death, but what we let die inside us while we live. We all have this same story to share. Our talents and sometimes passion often dies inside us due to stress of our career and also because of the rat race we all are running, family responsibilities. But after watching today's vlog, you will no longer let your activities and creativities die inside you, because today we will have a very special guest with us. We have Trisha, a girl with lots of dreams to achieve. In spite of continuing her studies in zoology, she manages her time to pursue all her hobbies and talents in a professional manner.
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well in this era of pandemic. This is Trisha. Recently I have completed my master degree in zoology and pursuing B.Ed from Bardhaman. So in this video I'm gonna share my story as a multitasker. Thank you Lifehacks for giving me such an opportunity to share my story.
She is an amazing dancer. A painter. Melodious singer.
चाहे कहीं से चलूं, तुझ पे ही आके रुकूं, तेरे सिवा मैं जाऊं कहाँ, कोई भी राह चुनूं, तुझ पे ही आके रुकूं.
A great cook. And many more.
Basically, I am a person who likes to pursue different hobbies. As we know that millions of people in this world, mainly women, give up their talents due to work-life imbalance. So here comes the concept of multi-creativity and time management. I am currently pursuing many things like I love to paint, dance, sing. I am associated with a Facebook business women group called Sisterhood and NGO called Sunshine and New Hope. So handling my studies without compromising my multiple hobbies can be attributed to my time management and passion for my hobbies. So coming to the question, there is no one-line answer of managing time. Once you invest your willpower and start seeing improvement in your performance, you will be self-motivated and automatically do wonders.
If you could do one thing to transform your life, we would recommend you to find something you are passionate about and do it for a living. Are you feeling stuck and unhappy at your current job? Imagine this. You get up early, jumping out of bed, excited to go to work. You start losing track of the world and time because work isn't work anymore, but something that is fun and interesting and exciting. So it's not a job, but a passion that leads to a fulfilling life.
We all saw in pandemic that many people losing jobs. So hobbies can be monetized and can be turned into a full-time occupation also. So it is more like keeping numerous doors open to earn a livelihood.
Whether you plan to turn your hobby into a career or just use it as a release valve for the stresses in your life, you should always find time for a little self-care.
Here is the small advice to those who have different hobbies like me but couldn't manage time. I will suggest that you need not multitask. The most important thing is to start. Doesn't matter how small the step, but you should start without procrastination. Hence, I will request all of you that not to give up on your passions. It is very important for us to take a break and invest that time for ourselves. Not for your father, not mother, not son, not daughter, only for yourself. So keep your inner child alive and do anything to keep your inner person happy. Nowadays, no one is happy in our generation. So go to any extent but never compromise on your inner happiness. Hobbies play the crucial role to make life colorful even during the darkest of times. Actually, I have experienced that, so I am telling it. So my final word would be, it takes time, a lot of time, sometimes even years of time to learn new things. So patience and resilience is must if you are learning a new thing, and if you are struggling to pursue things which you already know. You should be proud of your ability to learn multiple things. It is absolutely not necessary to excel in everything that you try your hands on. So just follow your heart and do what makes you feel fulfilled and satisfied. So take a tiny step, but at least take one. Thank you so much. Thank you Life Hacks, and do subscribe the channel and be safe, be happy. Till the next video, bye bye.
So, multi-creativity can be your power. The more you cultivate what you love, the more love you accumulate. If your mind questions, does multi-creativity work? What will you gain from multi-creativity? In answer, your soul will laugh out loud and say, what if you just said yes to your freedom, fun and happiness?
নিষেধের পাহারাতে ছিলে মেরে খেয়ে ঢেকে, সে কখন গেছে ফিরে আমায় ডেকে ডেকে। নিষেধের পাহারাতে ছিলে মেরে খেয়ে ঢেকে, সে কখন গেছে ফিরে আমায় ডেকে ডেকে।
Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more such motivational videos.